Wacker has a long-standing relationship with Cleveland State in performing assessments of skills for new employees, as well as providing some leadership training for existing employees. We knew that Cleveland State had subject matter experts that would be able to help us develop our Lean Six Sigma program and help with the implementation and facilitation of the Lean Six Sigma program.
As president of Cleveland State Community College, I'm really thrilled with the relationship that we have with Wacker. We've been working with them since they opened, primarily through our OneSource Workforce and Economic Development Center, providing all kinds of training assistance to make sure that their employees have the skills that they need to do a great job.
Well, when we first approached Cleveland State, we had two objectives that we wanted to meet. One was to maintain the U.S. region performance excellence implementation. The other one was to quickly come together and devise a strategy and implementation plan for the Charleston site to roll out the Kaizen events.
Hi, my name's Jacob Young. I've worked here at the Wacker Charleston site now for roughly 3 years. I graduated from Cleveland State in 2015 with a degree in industrial technology. The skills and education that I was able to apprehend at Cleveland State have transitioned over to Wacker, and I've been able to use these skills on this site to excel in new opportunities here in Charleston. Some of these lean manufacturing principles that have been carried out and facilitated in these Kaizen events have allowed me to lead a group of people to make numerous opportunities and seek different areas of indicators that we could do to become a better process team.
We took Wacker's unique simulation and we customized it to meet their training needs. This is a critical part of the training for our operators, team leaders, and managers so that the class participants can take the lean skills and tools that they learned in class and apply and practice them before implementing in a real-world scenario back at the workplace. After redesigning the simulation, we tested it with industry experts, Cleveland State faculty and staff, Chamber of Commerce executives, and even local high school students in order to gauge its effectiveness as a teaching aid. This exclusive simulation will have many applications that will be beneficial to our local workforce and our community businesses.
OneSource has had the privilege to partner with Wacker over the years. Most recently, we have partnered on a continuous improvement project. We have offered them on-site consulting, curriculum development, and lean manufacturing training.
Cleveland State is a business transformation partner. They helped increase the capabilities of our team members across the site. That yielded improvements in safety, quality, productivity, cost, and customer experience.